Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to create a desktop shortcut for Google Calendar in Windows 10 PC using Opera GX browser. For this, first open Opera GX browser and then visit Google Calendar website and sign into your account and then minimize this one window. Now click on this one start button. Type here Opera GX. Right click on Opera GX entry. Select open file location. Again right click on shortcut. Select open file location. Now press shift key on the keyboard and then right click on this one launcher application. In the pop-up select copy as path. Now right click on the free space on the desktop. Select here new and then shortcut option. Paste the copied path, then put one space, then hyphen, then type URL and then copy the Google Calendar path from the Opera GX browser and paste it at the end. Then click on this one next button. Name it Google Calendar. Then click on this one finish button. It will create a desktop shortcut for Google Calendar. By double clicking on this one shortcut, you can always open Google Calendar in a new tab in your Opera GX browser.